A water bottle and wildfire. I spent a long period of time wandering and putting out wildfires in the forest, causing my hands and legs to get tired. On the way, I faced another forest fire. Standing beside my car, exhausted, I could not do anything. I tried again to gather my strength, using my axe to cut the branches off trees. I was unfortunately cut by the axe, causing blood to spout from my finger to the ground. I cast the axe away, holding my hand with pain. Glancing around, I tried to find Tremolina odoratum, a herb species of grass. Its leaf can stop bleeding, but I could not find any because it doesn't grow in the dry season. I decided to use a piece of paper to cover the wound instead. Again, I tried to carefully cut the branches of the trees to fight the fire, gathering my strength over and over. I used my 2 feet to stamp out the fire as well. I tried to put the fire out because it attacked the habitat of the terrestrial orchids called Paphiopedilum callosum. If I could not extinguish the fire, she would be burnt down and scream out with a pained voice. As I was thinking, something suddenly happened. The strong wind blew dust into my face. I sneezed and coughed, trying to vomit to relieve my sore, irritated throat and running nose. The tears and saliva fell together. This was the most expensive lesson of my life. I put my hand in the rucksack, pouring some water over my face and into my mouth. I sprayed some water out of my mouth, and 2 bottles of water were soon used up. Finally, I found that the spreading fire was put out by the water. Looking at the empty bottles of water astonished, I raised my 2 hands up gladly.